Hello.
Hi, Liam.
Hi.
How are you?
Going great.
All right. First of all, Liam, thank you so much for hosting a watercolor painting workshop for Folklore India
Thanks
and
to
our
you and the
partner
team for giving me this
Forest.
opportunity.
Pleasure is all ours, and we see a lot of viewers are joining in. So, a big warm welcome to everyone here, and we are really happy to meet you all every Sunday at 5 p.m. We come up with different art workshops at Sunday 5 p.m. Wow. Friends,
Hi,
you may
everyone.
write it on the comment bar telling us from which city you belong to. Wow, yeah, we have got so many fans. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Wow, we have somebody from Indore, Kerala. People across the country are joining us. Thank you, everyone. So let's start with the basic introduction. Wow, I am so amazed to see the response. A lot of your fans and viewers are joining in. So, Liam, I would like to ask you, as a student, when was your first time on painting, or when did you started painting?
I started painting like back when I was 4, and it was my fourth birthday when one of my friend he gifted me a set of sketch pens. It was like 48 sketch pens, and I was living in Delhi at that time. So that was the first time I discovered my interest in art. And then there was a
Wow,
like art competition in our society held by Tata Motors, and luckily I got the prize in this, which was really motivating for me to keep continuing on. And
wow,
ever since
wow,
I'm practicing.
wow. I hope you are still in touch with the friend who gifted you a set of sketch pen.
Yeah.
A little, we don't know who touches our life in such a way, at what time, we never know. So, really glad to know that. And somebody is saying my voice is not clear. Is it better now? I hope it is. Please let us know on the comment bar if my voice is not audible or it's not clear, or any of us. All right. So, Liam, we would really like to see your work, your top three paintings,
Yeah.
and let us talk about those paintings. Thank you for your response. My voice is clear, so that everybody is comfortable. Guys, we would need a thick paper or handmade sheet for today, and round, small and medium brush and watercolor before starting. So please kindly keep them ready. And before starting the workshop, we will see Liam's work.
Like first, let
I
me
am really
declare the colors
sure.
we are going to use. Maybe
Yeah, sure, please.
so we will be using basically these 5 colors. This is cerulean blue, which is light blue in common, then dark blue,
Hmm.
dark green, brown, and black. We are only going to use the 5 colors for today's painting.
All right, Liam. I think these are very basic colors. Do not go with the names, the technical names, just the simple name. And I think these are available on everybody's uh, color palette. Let us know if you find any difficulty on the comment bar, and Liam would be happy to help you out with that. And now we see Liam's work. So, guys,
Okay.
I've been watching his page. It's been a while. I've been following him, and I really love his work.
Yeah. So this is the print of one of my painting. The original was in background when the camera was facing me. So this was my first original painting, I should say. The painting which was the turning point as from student to kind of on the professional side. And
Wow. And how long
it's
back
a
was
year
it?
old. It's only a year old.
Oh,
619.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And yeah, this painting even got me to one of my favorite subjects, which is painting fishes.
Yes, I see
And
a lot of paintings on fishes, and Liam, also tell us, do you study about fishes and then you get inspired and you paint, or this is just a thought? You just see a
like
picture online and you try to make the similar one.
this
What?
first time I saw this picture on Texas.com, I would say it's a free stock image website, and I was like, let's paint this. It's looking really good and captivating. From this painting, I started discovering more about koi fishes and more fishes in common, and really interesting to paint.
Yes, absolutely.
So after this, we have Lily Pond. This is
Wow.
one of from my own collect pictures from Nal Sarovar Lake here in Gujarat.
Yeah, this is really, really awesome, and I see a lot of comments coming that they are really loving your work, and this looks so real. This looks so real. How much time, approximately, how much time do you need for such paintings?
Like on average, it takes 7 hours, 5 to 7 hours. Sometimes
Oh
it
my
takes more, like even 15 to 20.
yes, yes.
And this is one of my personal favorite paintings.
Yes,
And it was a mess when I made it because of the over salt, which you can see here. Like the
yes,
whole container of the salt is small.
yes.
The whole just fell on this painting, which was not at all intentional, but it gave this like looks quite good. This texture.
This also shows your love towards nature. I think you are really, really inspired while painting and taking your thoughts from the nature.
Lotus has its own sacredness, like it grows in the marsh and also have its own symbolization.
Yes. And Liam, we are getting a lot of requests that they can't wait to learn from you, and neither am I. We are really, really so excited to learn from you. And if you, by any chance, if you have today's artwork, which we would be learning from you, if we can have a look at that also, that would be really nice.
Yeah,
Do
I
you
have it
have
on.
that?
I have the picture of this. The original is sold.
All right, no problem. So,
So we are
guys,
going
if
to paint
you
this.
stay longer with us, we are going to make this painting with Liam. Wow! And Liam, is it a picture from Google Internet, or you have
No, it's from
painted it
internet.
and it is
This is the
okay?
painting. This is the painting.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
this is a
the
painting.
reference was from internet. It's of Louis Lake from Canada.
Wow. So, guys, please stick to the entire show and paint along with Liam and Folklore India, because if we miss any of this step, our painting might not look the same. So, please stick to it. We will be doing this painting today. Thank you.
So
And
should we?
and friends, yeah, friends, please hold on your questions. Write us, keep it separate, or write us as a question to us. We will take it in the end. Today's session is going to be a little longer. We are confined with the time, so we will quickly start with the painting, and at the end we will take all the questions.
So let's first start with the drawing
And
part.
yes, yes, absolutely.
So I'm dividing the paper in, like you can see, it's in
Mhm.
two basic parts: the top and the bottom for the
Yes,
sky and the water. So
yes.
divide the paper in like almost two equal halves.
Yes. And Niam, let's take a thumbs up from everyone if they are ready with their material. By any chance, if somebody is left, they can just
We can do.
match up with the face. Yeah, please, guys, give us a thumbs up if we can start with the workshop. And meanwhile, I want to introduce today's gifting partner. Today's gifting partner is Fruit Forest. So, if you guys have not checked out Fruit Forest, please do check out on Instagram. They have some amazing products. They are our King Snacks partner, and their snacks are full of fruits, 100% vegan, no added sugar, no artificial colors, and they are available on um, Swiggy, and only for today they are running a special discount offer. You have to use a discount code folklores at their website, and you can buy whatever you wish to. And I think a lot of thumbs up we
All
have
our
received already. Yeah, so
the video is
everybody is
going to
excited
be
to.
saved in IGTV, so you
Yes,
can
yes, it
even
would be
follow it
saved.
afterwards if you want.
Yeah, but Liam, you know what? Painting together is more fun. If if you have any doubt, you are readily available to take up the questions. So my request to everybody would be to paint together.
Along
Yeah, though
us,
the video will be saved.
so we can move forward.
Yeah,
Sorry.
sure, sure.
Yeah. So we are going to first complete the drawing. So here we are starting with the mountains.
A lot of our viewers is asking what sort of they should use, what is the size of the
Yeah.
paper. I think any handmade sheet, any cartridge paper, a little thick paper is required for today's workshop, and anything bigger than A5 or A5 is okay. So that
This
sort
can
of.
be done in A5 too. Like I have made this
Mhm.
thumbnail sketch of this size, so that's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
lot smaller than A5. So it can be done.
yes,
And
yes,
Chitrapat is an ideal paper if you want to use it. It's cheap and is really good for the price. The paper I am using
yes.
today is the Arch paper, Arch cold pressed.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Many people pronounce it as Arches or Arches, but the pronunciation is Arch. It's a French name.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
the size is 10 by 14 inch.
Yes.
This is the exact same paper
And
we are using.
yes, and someone has asked us if we have pinned the sponsors for today or our own pages. Need not worry, ma'am. It will be running on Folklore India story, so you can see about the uh, hoodie partner and artist and us on our page later. Cool. We can start now.
So these are just basic lines for the mountains, which are going to be filled after we complete the clouds and the sky. Let's continue. Now we'll be drawing the rocks here.
Mhm.
Drawing rocks here properly is important because then we are going to paint the dark color around them and it's need to be quite precise.
And Liam, I must tell you, a lot of kids have already joined us today. A few are from Chennai and few are from Delhi, Pune, and they have asked me to get you connected and they need to talk to you regarding paintings in detail. So
They can
depending on
DM me.
who's,
I always reply to
yes,
all my DMs. So you can DM me.
surely, surely. Yes, we would be recording this session. but painting together is always fun.
Yeah. So this is the drawing. So you all can catch up with this. Now it's clear, right?
Yeah, it is. And this is very much all right. Uh, so, guys, you can give us a thumbs up if we can move ahead, if we are able to follow Niam up till now. Hello, Niam, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, so a lot of them are ready to move ahead with you.
Okay, if the drawing is complete, then we will start with the first layer for the sky.
Sure.
So first we are going to paint a gradient from light to dark for the sky.
Mhm,
So wet the whole paper first.
mhm.
If you don't have a broader flat brush, you can use a smaller one, but it's going to take more time and would not be that uniform. So you want the wash to be as uniform as possible.
Also, Liam, if I may request, yeah, please adjust it. So, what are you applying,
This
Liam?
is
They are
normal
asking.
water, just water, wetting the whole paper.
Regular water. Yes.
So now we are going to apply a gradient from dark to light. This is a mix of dark blue and black. So going from dark to light.
And to all our viewers, I need to tell you that today's gifting partner is Fruit, Fruit Forest, and the lucky artist will receive a fully handbook from them. So do paint along with us. Kindly put it on your story and tag Liam, Popozinia, and Fruit Forest.
So now after this gradient, we can paint the clouds. You let us know if you are done with this gradient.
Yeah, which color? So you may tell us
This
which
is
part of
dark
the
blue
sky.
and black, mix of dark blue and black.
Yeah, gotcha. So we have a lot of children I can see here. Nisha is with us. Siddhi is with us. Tanishka, Kiara. Oh my God! Thank you, kids, for joining in.
Yeah. So it's still the same color, mix of blue and black for the clouds.
Mhm.
The paper is still wet. The whole thing is wet.
Niam, somebody is asking if you are using acrylic or poster colors.
These are watercolors.
Yeah, these are watercolors. Today's workshop is on watercolor painting.
Here light blue was used, and now we are again on the same mix of dark blue and black. Now we are taking more black in the mix for the denser clouds here.
Pooja is asking, can we use high pins?
What can we use?
High
We
pins.
use
I think high, it's a high tone of the color. I think she's asking. Which brush, which paper? I think these are all simple basic paper, pen, and colors which we are using. Whatever is available with you, just start with it. It's more of, celebrating art and painting together.
the clouds which are more far from us will be just flat lines because they're far and that's why they will be smaller. So flat lines will give that volume to them, and as you can observe in nature too, the clouds which are not too close are almost flat. So these lines are signifying those clouds. You can see. And we'll be using
Also,
salt for this technique because salt is like a lot of you want to know how to use it in my technique. So I'm just sprinkling some salt on the paper. So at this stage, the sky is complete.
yeah, why do we use the salt? What to give
The
it a
salt is
different
only
sort
for
of
the
structure?
texture. It will
Or
give you, I'll show you such textures. This texture achieved by salt. It can
okay,
make your
and
painting
this
look more
this
interesting. That's the whole
yeah,
purpose.
and this effects will come later once the painting is
Once
dried
the
up.
thing is dried, yes.
Okay, we have a question saying salt is fine or bigger. I think she's talking about grain.
Yeah,
I
it's
think this is
normal.
common salt which
It's
is used
yeah,
in the
it's
kitchen.
normal. Yeah, it's table salt. It's completely
Mm-hmm.
fine texture. See.
Absolutely.
So we can start with the water if you want.
Yeah, we can ask our audience if they can give us a thumbs up for the next step, if we can move ahead. And Rajachi, we just explained that we have used salt for a kind of
Textures.
texture. Liam, could you please once again show us what sort of texture we were talking about from the another painting? Yeah, this for
These
this sort of
textures are achieved by
texture.
salt.
Wow, this looks amazing. I'm sure once our painting is complete, it will also be just so amazing. And just stay with us. Liam has decided on very beautiful artwork for today. And Liam, we have got a lot of thumbs up, and they are all ready to move ahead with you.
Okay, so let's start with the water. So it's going to be a simple gradient in the first layer. So I'm applying water right now, only water.
Okay. So somebody has asked, have we put salt on the whole paper? I think it is just used for the sky.
It's only in the sky right now because before applying the colors, the salt won't give you the effects. It will only make the process difficult. So once you have applied the colors, then you can sprinkle the salt.
Yes, absolutely. I request everyone to paint together. Painting together, you have got get a lot of doubts while painting, and Liam, the expert, is with us to take up any questions we have. How long is the painting going to take us approximately? Just stay with
It's
us.
going.
I think a couple of more minutes and we'll be through.
So this is the dark green which we talked about. Uh, it's Viridian hue if you have the specific colors, or dark green works. Now we are going to apply different colors for the reflections in the base layer.
So, Liam, you will let us know which colors are you using. I think first you use green color.
This was green, and now I'm using
Yeah.
blue. It's dark blue.
Um, and friend,
Today's gifting partner is Fruit Forest. Please do paint along with us. Post it as your story. Do not forget to tag Liam Kunavit, Folklore India and Fruit Forest. And these details will be available on Folklore India story after the session. We will also be releasing quiz today, and those who wish to participate in the quiz, you are most welcome. Please do write in your answer for the quiz later on after the session.
Now I'm
And
using a mix
yeah.
of green, blue, and black,
Mm-hmm.
all three colors for darker reflections.
All right. And Fruit Forest have a really good hampers for our three lucky artists. So please do send in your paintings, and I am pretty sure Liam would not agree less. How good does it feel, Liam, when somebody paints and send it to you and ask for
It's
your suggestion on it?
it's not only about the suggestions; it's about you inspired someone to paint. That's really
Absolutely.
happy feeling.
Yeah. And that just brighten up our day whenever we see a lot of artwork around us. So, Niam, somebody has asked, is the effect for the watercolor paints and the acrylic colors, is it same or does it differ?
Acrylics are totally different medium because they are
All
opaque,
right.
and
Mm-hmm.
watercolors are known for their transparency. So uh, you cannot use much of water in acrylics, and it won't give you, like, you cannot use salt and different wet in wet effects. So it's more of a
Mm-hmm.
controlled medium, and watercolor
Mm-hmm.
you just play around, and the water decides what the painting is going to look like. You can't control it to a much higher extent.
All right. And does the
Main
salt work
difference,
for
the
the
main
same?
difference
The
is
effect
the
of the salt.
no,
Mm-hmm.
it won't work there because the
Okay.
acrylics are very thick, and salt doesn't absorb anything from them. Like, you can see the salt has started making the
Yeah.
textures here.
Yeah, yeah, yes, absolutely.
Now we are painting the more darker part near the rocks. It's a mix of green, blue, and black with more black in it.
Oh. Also, Niam, I have a very curious question. I can't hold my horses. I want to ask you, when did you discover or your parents discover that you should be sent to a formal, art school to learn art?
They have always encouraged me to inherent talent in me. Once they
Mm-hmm.
found this as my passion, they helped me in getting proper coaching around this. And it was like
Mm-hmm.
when I shifted to Ahmedabad from Delhi. It was in second standard. But to decide
Mm-hmm.
it to take quite seriously, it was not until I was in fifth grade, like around
Mm-hmm.
4 years before.
Wow. Wow.
Since, like,
And I would like to ask our viewers if they may guess your age. How old is Liam? And you are the first child artist on board. So congratulations, Liam.
Here I'm using a
Oh,
half-inch flat brush to add the dark
yes,
shadows near the rocks.
yes.
And at points I'm
And
using
Liam,
direct black paint here. See.
all right. A lot of our viewers is commenting upon your age. They say you are 18 years old. Somebody is saying you are 20. Oh my God. Yes, a lot of them also say that you are a 14-year-old. And yes, you're just 14 and you make such beautiful paintings. So here we are using just black paint.
Yeah, for the extreme ends here and the corners.
All right. Liam, I would request you to adjust your sheet a bit. We are not seeing the lower part of the painting. Yeah, now it is fine.
So this is the first layer for the water, and we'll add the reflections more once the layer is dried.
All right. Wow. Liam, Srija says that she never liked watercolor and she was just pencil and charcoal lover. But after seeing your work, she is really, really inspired and she has started doing watercolor painting.
Thank you so much. It's really glad to know.
Yes, this is very heart touching. So guys, we are just using a hand dryer. If you have it around, please you can also use it. You'll have to wait for a while to dry up the painting. And today's gifting partner is Fruit Forest. Guys, please do check in Fruit Forest. They make some amazing products. Their products are sugar free, 100% vegan, low artificial color use, and they are our clean snack partner. And they have some amazing goodies to give. And all you have to do is paint along with us after completing the artwork, put it on your story, tag all three of us, and lucky artist will receive a hamper from Fruit Forest. Fruit Forest is also running a discount only for today. You can go to their website fruitforest.in and buy something from yourself. You have to use the discount code FOCLOSE India.
Went back to the sky for a glaze,
Yes.
transparent glaze, because the salt texture was showing way too much.
All right.
So I'm just like blending some of the edges.
Mm-hmm. So after drying up, Liam says that the effect of the salt is too much, so he is slightly covering it up. Ashwini ji, this is happening on a sheet of paper, so yes, salt has created its effect on the paper. Yes, the reference picture will be uploaded on Liam's Insta handle later after the session and this painting also to have a look. Friends, do follow Folklores India, Liam Swavit, and Fruit Forest. Please do follow us. And Folklores India comes up with different art workshops every Sunday at 5 p.m. So, Liam, this is just to hide salt effect,
Yeah, I'm
which
blending
is
the texture below. I'm just rubbing the sheet so the colors automatically come over and the texture
yeah,
dulls a bit.
yes, yes,
So now when this dries, we can start with the mountains.
yes. Prachi need not worry about the tags. Tags will be available on Folklores India stories. Right after the session, these tags will be available. Do follow us to know more about the workshop. Yes, the video will be available. You may follow. I think you joined us a little late. So yes, the video will be available.
So now we can start with
Wow.
the mountains.
Yes, I think so. I think our followers can give us a thumbs up. I think we are ready to move forward, Nyan. A lot of them are ready.
Okay. We are starting with a mix of dark green and blue. Okay.
All right.
It's going to be the first the mountain is going to be filled with wet on dry technique wash, whole wash. Nothing more than that. Just different colors.
All right. So this is which shade?
This is the green, dark green mixed with blue.
All right. All right.
And now I'm using direct blue to mix that with the green. And we'll slowly transit to black and we'll darken the bottom part of the mountain.
All right.
Okay, now I'm going to use a darker shade for the bottom.
All right. This already looks amazing. I am really excited to see the end result. Oh,
Okay, so the first mountain is done. The same steps will be taken for the mountain in the right. We are starting with
yeah.
mix of blue and black. It's like gray, cooler gray.
Yeah. So I can read some comments. Yes, the live is on every Sunday on Folklores India. Please do follow us. And regarding the paper and the kind of colors we are using, I think we have already mentioned it. And the basic idea is to just enjoy painting. You can use Any color, any paper. And regarding the colors also, they are very simple, blue and green. So need not go with the technical words. Any basic colors would be okay. Yes, and Liam has
Yeah,
already
here
helped
is
us
the
with
color palette.
keeping the color palette. Oh, hello from Dubai. So Liam, you have fans from Dubai also. Thank you for joining in, ma'am. Yes, painting together is fun. So paint along with us. Material, what you have, what you do not have, doesn't really matter. What do you say, Liam? Do you agree with us?
Yeah, we can
Um,
start with whatever
does
we have.
Yeah, we can
Yes.
always start with that. And yeah, the painting is looking really, really beautiful already. I don't know what will happen by then.
Okay, so now we can start the second layer for the reflections.
Yeah.
This is normal horizontal strokes for the waves.
Mm-hmm. So for the waves, you're using simple blue color, I guess.
Right now I'm using a very light mix of blue, green and black.
Okay.
After this layer dries, it's going to be all horizontal strokes only. So this is the last mask layer, and all other are going to be the details.
Mm-hmm. I am also trying to follow you while the session. Friends, I hope you guys are also painting along with us. Do not forget to share your artwork with us on your stories. Do tag all three of us, Fruit Forest, Liam, Suavat, Folklore India.
It's most of the green only here. So now on
Yeah.
the ends we are going to make it darker using blue and black.
Thank you people for joining in. I think somebody has joined us now also. Stay connected. Even watching Liam painting is really heart touching. So please stay connected with us.
And now I've used a mix of dark blue and black,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll slowly transit to just black for the reflections here.
All right. Yes, we will be talking about Lian's teachers and gurus and with whom he is taking the training. But you will have to stay connected with us for a little more while. And this is, I think, you are using just the black or
Yeah,
you're
here it
mixing the
was just
mixture.
black, and here I'm
Mm-hmm.
mixing it with some green.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, Liam, we are left with around 10 minutes.
We can have the questions right now itself if you want. It's fine.
Okay, okay, sure. Would we be able to finish the painting?
I'll try. Let's see.
All right. So, if at all you feel, I would request audience, if at all you feel that we are not able to finish, please do join in again. We will restart the live. Instagram only allows us to be live for an hour. We will try to finish it up within time, but if in case we are not able to, please do join us back. All right. So, yes, we will be saving this video on our IGTV.
Okay. So now till the this part dries, we can start with the stones. Okay.
All right.
So I'm using burnt sienna here.
Mm-hmm.
The same
So this
mixed
is
with some
basically
brown.
light and dark shade of brown color.
This is one only brown we are using. It's just mixed with black to attain the darker shade.
All right, all right. Thank you, Ramesh. We have got request that they are enjoying learning from you, and we can extend it to the next session. Niam is using watercolor, and which brush he uses. So I
This is a
think,
Chinese liner brush.
all right.
It's made of fox hair.
Mm-hmm.
Won't be able to see.
Yeah.
At a very fine tip. This one.
Mm-hmm.
You can go fine.
Mm-hmm.
You can go brown.
All right. And regarding any questions, you can always DM Liam, and I think he's really active on Instagram, and he will answer all your queries related to watercolor painting.
Now for rocks, we can use salt as much as we want because rocks have got the texture. So it's more
Yes,
natural to the rocks. We can use the salt.
yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. So, Niam, you can tell us something about the exhibition Tulika, which you were a part in 2019 December.
Tulika was an international art exhibition held at the
Mm-hmm.
well-known art center Jawahar Lal Nehru Kala Kendra in Jaipur. Yeah.
All right.
So this was held in November 2019,
Mm-hmm.
and around 20 participants participated in the exhibition from all around the world, and each
Mm-hmm.
participant displayed two of their works. The response was
Oh,
really good. It was my first exhibition outside here in Gujarat,
wow.
and two of my
And
paintings were
what,
displayed there.
yeah,
Yeah.
what were those paintings about? What does the painting talked about?
One of those were the lake scenes, and
Mm-hmm.
one was fish, I think. And the lake one
All
got
right.
sold. The fish one, I have it here. The fish is
Wow.
not for sale. It's the same fish which we talked about
Okay.
in the starting.
Yeah, in the
Yeah.
starting. Wow, that's so amazing. And we also know that you got selected for April 2020, the watercolor art in Poland by International Watercolor Society.
Yeah,
So,
International Watercolor Society organizes exhibitions all across the world to promote
mm-hmm,
watercolor artists. So, one of the
mm-hmm,
key criteria for selection was that the participant should be at least of 18 years of age. Yeah. So, the
oh,
organizers decided to relax this rule for me after
mm-hmm.
seeing my paintings and work. And
Wow,
this was the painting exhibited there.
wow, superb. This looks so beautiful.
The
And
theme
we
was
can,
the theme
mm-hmm,
was your country and your identity. So, like it covers most of Indian things: the national bird, national
yes,
flower.
yes, wow, superb. We might lose connections, but guys, please do join in again. We are yet to finish our painting for the day. Wow, we are getting a lot of comments on the comment bar saying that you're really inspired and it is really beautiful.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, and I request everyone to follow Liam Suarez, Folklore India and Fruit Forest. Folklore India comes up with different art workshops every weekend. So every week on Sunday 5 p.m. we come up with different artists across India. Our aim is to celebrate art. We do not run any competition or contest. We select few lucky artists and our gifting partners send them goodies. But that doesn't mean they have won it. It's just for celebrating art. So please do not get confused with a competition. This is just celebrating art and appreciating artists and their work. Wow, this looks amazing, Liam. Wow, and I think the first part of the rock is started giving the texture of the salt already.
Yeah,
Yes, this
that
is
part is
already,
started to dry,
yes,
so the texture is
yeah,
visible.
yes. And viewers, thank you so much that you join us every Sunday at 5 p.m. We really love to chit chat here with the help of comment bar, and do keep on writing to us. We love to hear from you. And we will also be releasing a small quiz after the session on Folklore India related to Fruit Forest. So all you have to do is follow Fruit Forest, go to their page, see what products they sell, and the quiz will be based on that. And Fruit Forest is also running a discount for today. Only for today, you can go shop on their website using a discount code Folklore India.
Yeah, so here the first layer of the rocks are done. We'll come again on the
Mm-hmm.
rocks, applying using some dry brushing technique for showing up the texture more.
Sure.
Okay, now the mountains are dry, so we can finish them off using some dry brushing technique. So in dry brushing, we are going to use less water and more color on our brush.
Mm-hmm.
And see, we can attain this texture. The texture is because of it depends on how rough your paper is. If it's smoother, the texture may even not appear. So the paper needs to be quite a bit rough for this technique.
All right. So, paper with the texture is required. Paper
So
should
for
be
this
dry.
technique in specific, the paper should be dry
Yeah,
and the
yeah,
color should be of like the water should be very less and the color should be thick.
yes, yes. Wow. I think these are the two main techniques of watercolor which you have introduced today. I think one is the salt technique and another is this
These are more on the
special.
experimental side. So just for starting off, these are not mainly recommended. You need to learn quite basic techniques like wet in wet wash, gradients, and that's for the starting.
Yes.
These are mainly for bringing out texture, and that's it. Yeah, mountains have a lot of rocky texture, so the easiest way to attain those are by dry brushing. So that's why I use the technique.
All right. All right. There are a lot of comments. We are not able to take up everyone's questions. We would be really happy if you can DM us later, be it for Close India or Liam Swawat. We'll be happy to answer you.
I started painting with watercolors around 4 years before, 4 years ago. It's been 4 years of painting
Yeah.
watercolors and 10 years of doing art. So specifically for
Yes. So
watercolors, it's been 4 years.
yes. So Liam was just 4 when he started painting and using colors, sketch pens, and he's been taking training for now around 4 years.
Training I've been taking for like 8 years, I'd say, because when
Sorry.
back at that time I started joining some classes. They were very basic classes, and I started like that. And after
All
coming
right.
to Ahmedabad here, then it like went on a bigger level and got more serious.
Yes. All right. Super amazing. So I'm pretty sure you guys are also through with the painting. If at all there is any doubt, Liam would be really happy to repeat any steps or any doubts if you have. So Liam, I think will be also be able to complete the painting in the given time, or do
How
we
much time?
require the next session?
It's
I think
been
we are left with 2, 3. Yeah.
2-3 minutes only, right? It will require
Yeah.
like 5 or 10 minutes more, so we will
No
require a second
problem.
session.
We'll restart. We'll restart if at all it is.
Now I'm using a very dark shade of blue for the trees. So, using vertical strokes, so the pine trees can be like depicted. Let's say.
Thank you everyone for joining in, and thank you for